Manipur Traffic Police whips up road safety measures ahead of New Year 2020. Traffic Police Wing collects fines from traffic rules violators. 18th Nupilal Celebration Month organized by Nupilal Memorial Association Manipur concludes with patriotic fervor. And Governor, Chief Minister, Cabinet Ministers, MLAs and other political leaders send heartiest New Year's greetings to everyone. Kurumjari, good evening. You are watching Tuesday Evening News, primetime English news on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. Manipur Traffic Police has whipped up road safety measures ahead of New Year 2020. Traffic Police Wing imposed fines on traffic rules violators today. Speaking to media, DSP of a Traffic Police Wing, H. Rameshwar, warned that legal actions will be taken against traffic violators. He also appealed to people to drive carefully to avoid any untoward incident.
No sinaba matam road accident sida mi mayam ama tam chadana kai kudong chadaba kudong thiba thok thokpasi yam toin thokali thokbagi maram se two wheeler singi di helmet uptabase masina su yam maru oiba maram amoe adana yaringe helmet na chingba upiba adagi angang sing license saudabada mama pana moina ningai tawena hek piba khotpa gari thawan ba kholan ba mayam se maji khara cartel tawraga thokpa yawa oirabe yawa road accident gum kari gum maji khara handana thoktanaba nungainaba akoigi anobu chahi lakpasi nungai ai phawang akta oinanaba gi pandamda traffic wing manipur gi maikai dagi district police mayamga tanaraga sigumba drive chatajaban.
Station Judge Imphal West has sentenced a rapist to 7 years of rigorous imprisonment and a fine of 10,000 rupees. The convict is 30-year-old Haikam Herojit, son of Haikam Nongthong, from Yaripok top of Imphal East district. He was convicted of raping a girl on August 6, 2001. Following complaints by the victim's family and necessary investigations by investigating officer of the case, a charge sheet was filed against Haikam Herojit on April 16, 2016. It was produced before Session Judge Imphal West, R.K. Memcha, for sentence hearing today. Defense counsel prayed for leniency in punishment, but State Council Special Public Prosecutor prayed to the judge to award Haikam Herojit stringent punishment under Indian Penal Code 366 and 376. The judge finally announced his sentence after listening to both the sides. One man who went missing since yesterday was found dead at Bijoy Govinda Thangapat today. The deceased is 42-year-old R.K. Barinda, son of R.K. Manisana from Sagolban Bijoy Govinda. According to Impact News sources, family members of the deceased filed a missing report at Imphal police station this morning. They urged the police to search him near Thangapat after they found out that he was last seen near Bijoy Govinda Thangapat from CCTV footages of the area. Residents near Thangapat said that a thumping sound was heard last night at around 10. A team of Imphal police station joined by a team of fire service searched for the missing body at the lake. Finally, Manipur Fire Service recovered the body after searching for around 10 minutes. The body has been taken to RIMS morgue for investigation. Victims of different forms of violence against women carried out a protest demonstration demanding their rights from the state government at Palace compound today. Family members of 70 victims took part in the protest, chanting various slogans. '80th Nupilal Celebration Month, organized by Nupilal Memorial Association Manipur, concluded at Nupilal Memorial Complex today. The event kicked off with a patriotic song performance by artists of Konjal Artists Union. Attendees paid floral tributes to those brave women who fought against the mighty British during the Nupilal movement. Acting chairperson of Manipur Human Rights Commission, Khaidem Mani, renowned social worker R.K. Rameshwar, and members of various women associations affiliated to Nupilal Memorial Association attended the event.
Nupilian Memorial Association sina mathangda lakadaba thoram kyarasu asumba celebration asi sathabiduna sunasumgi historical event ama oina observe tawbugi mahuta amna significance oiba lamdam sigi lakadaba nupi gi khunai singda tongama role model ama oina koigi message piba masung lakadaba nupi gi status da amasung nupi gi phibam phagatbada ahongba kya laknaba honabada achoba ithil ama piba ngamnabgi damda asugumba celebration si sahi sa kya kuding sathabangamba osinu nupi
Culture Presentation Center Imphal Maitrabak Manipur Paungna Kaithel organized Maicho Remembrance Day at Gandhi Memorial Hall Imphal today. Chairperson of Mayang Imphal Municipal Council Asem Radhamani, Secretary of Smart Universal Academy in Sanjay, National and State awardee in PC Culture S. Surchandra and other eminent persons attended the event. Gifts were presented to elderly people on the occasion. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DESAM, has made its New Year's resolution to uproot corruption prevailing in the state's education sector. It has decided to look into the misappropriation of 43 lakh rupees fund sanctioned by the UGC for the physical department of Manipur University at its first step. DESAM President Salam Akash declared the same at the annual event titled Meet the Media Fraternity, organized by DESAM every year on December 31st today. Akash asserted that DESAM has been striving earnestly to enhance the state's education sector since its inception. He also declared that DESAM will take a resolution regarding the Citizenship Amendment Act in consultation with the public. DESAM also presented gifts to media persons who attended the event held at DESAM office in Kwakaithil.
Mediana more than 70% Miamgi movement sigi momentum mamadi Miamgi movement sigi masakasi mayon chummi aduna lobu yara badumba matamo ore Sinamagi pillar singi marakta media su pillar amani kaidana maduda hapsalakbugi madudagi reference lorkanda aikoina pai hajin banataba Manipur gi tasengo masakasi da base torkana yeng matamda media basi yam maruiba yawdu sunga magyadaba aduga miyoibagi mindset miyoibagi wakhalon phawrga leiramba wakhalon amadi ngahak mikup amagi matungda karam wakhalon anauba phawrkada ge habisi media gi khutta pawdam biriba isinau sing pawmi isinau sing gi khutta yam song leire hedunai.
Len owner of Bihu Kongjin water supply scheme Lilong has warned to cease water supply starting February 1st against the government's alleged failure to abide by the agreements reached during construction of the water supply scheme. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Oinam Samjai said that he donated .30 land area for the construction of Bihu Kongjin water supply scheme in 1996 after he was assured by then Lilong MLA Alauddin that a government job will be given to one of his family members. He expressed disappointment that the assurances has not been put into action even after 20 years. Samjai said that the matter was raised during Chief Minister Gi Miyamgi Numit, but no actions are taken till then. Oinam Samjai has sworn to reclaim his land.
Tamdugi MLA Alauddin Minister Piramba Kadagi Minister Warami Markse Rimana Hari Tabaksi Maga Iga Agreement Tongnabani Adege Matakta Bakshi inauguration function Tobugi Horambasina Helaluddin Minister Helaluddin Nato Tabaksi Horamadi and Matamdugi MLA Sina Lenji Donor Torga Gambami da Tabaksi Pinanabana Torambani Adubo Huju Pavoda Pidravanina Sahi Kungi Matakala Avani Shiva Manga Kudong Java the Pibidreva Igitama Maramduna Aina Huji Warokuna Parjada Itabaksi Tingenjerge, Peorgi Tarik Amadagidi, Aitabaksi, Sintokshala Tamjerge.
A team of Thobal commando arrested 4 suspected cadre of proscribed KYKL today. The team, led by ASP Operations Sachidananda Soibam, under the supervision of Thobal SP, Dr. S. Ebomcha, arrested them at Tata Magic Parking of Thobal Wangmataba. The arrested persons are 27-year-old Leishangthem Amujao Meitei, son of late Joy from Thobal Leishangthem, 18-year-old Sadokpam Nongpok Ganba, son of Kauremba from Panjakong Maning Laikai, 21-year-old Kangembam Athoy, son of Manglemba from Samaram Mayai Laikai, and 20-year-old Mayang Lambam Khoiraba, son of Ingocha from Kokching Khono Awang Laikai. They have been handed over to Thobal Police Station for further investigations. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on 11-year-old Derek Moirangthem from Manipur, winning Bangalore's Singing Superstar 2019 title. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Tuesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. 11-year-old Derek Moirangthem from Manipur has bagged the title of Bangalore Singing Superstar 2018. Multi-talented Derek Moirangthem, who is also a guitarist, singer, dancer, anchor. He's from Moirangkom Sagaijom Lerak in Imphal West District. More than 30,000 youths competed for the coveted title. It may be recalled that Derek Moirangthem had bagged Bangalore's Kids Talent Hunt 2018 and participated in Sangai Festival 2018. Manipur Sumang Lila Council has condoled the demise of Natya Ratna awardee and former Vice President of Manipur Sumang Lila Council, renowned Sumang Lila artist Thongam Shanti. The council held a condolence meet at the late renowned artist's residence in Herangoithong Maibam Makalekai today. Attendees paid full tribute to the portrait of late Thongam Shanti, who made significant contributions in promoting Sumang Lila art form. Already involved with Nupi Pala and Gosta Lila, Thongam Shanti ventured into theatre in 1958 and later in the field of Sumang Lila in 1976. Late Thongam Shanti was conferred the Natya Ratna Award during the 6th International and 10th All India Multilingual Festival. Manipuri translation of Part 3 of Sri Kanta, a novel written by famed Bengali writer Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay, was released today. The translated book, named Chahei Daba Hirang by Dr. Tensubam Kunjeshwar, was released at the auditorium of Manipur Secretariat Museum and Archives. Regular Voluntary Blood Donors Group Manipur (RVBDG) organized a felicitation program for blood donors. Social worker Thangjam Arun Kumar, RVBDG President Soibam Bimol, and Office Coordinator Ayush MSM PB and NAM NAM Directorate of Ayush S. Tongdang graced the event held at Lamlong Higher Secondary School campus in Kurai, Lamlong. Speaking on the occasion, S. Tongdang urged people to donate blood to save lives.
Kailangan accident na chokiba matam na iyam sa kredi puro makanagi mama na balibra relative libre hekta hangba accident gumba awa si police na hana thegne or sigumba blood donor group sing na thegne aduna aikoi na lamdam mama chakotpa matam da sigumba maroina blood donate to mi sing se isona su yaram gani aduga mi oiba khonai gana su phagat pam thoi.
Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla has wished everyone a happy, fruitful and prosperous New Year 2020. In her greetings, the governor has urged everyone to start one's journey into the new year with confidence and optimism and with the clear perception to pursue national objective of growth with justice and that the unity and integrity of the nation are maintained at all cost. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has wished everyone a very happy and prosperous New Year 2020. In his greeting, the Chief Minister said that the year 2019 has been a year of progress and historical landmark for Manipur. He said several positive changes have been brought into the state like extension of inner line permit system, progress in health, education, welfare and infrastructure sectors. Biren said the new year is a time not only for celebrations but also a time to shed off bad routines. He wished that 2020 will be a year of renewed hope and confidence to face challenges towards progress. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham, Works Minister Thongam Biswajit and Forest and Environment Minister Thangnaujam Sham Kumar in separate press releases have wished everyone a very happy, prosperous and peaceful New Year 2020. They have also appealed to everyone to strive for unity and development in the state. President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC M. Okendro and former Deputy Chief Minister cum CWC member Gai Khangam in different press releases extended New Year 2020 greetings to people of the state. Lok Janashakti Party Manipur State Unit in a press release has also wished everyone a very happy New Year 2020. Major General K.P. Singh, YSM, Inspector General Assam Rifles South, and all ranks of Assam Rifles have also extended warm greetings and goodwill to the people of Manipur and wished everyone a very happy New Year 2020. The IG Assam Rifles South conveys his earnest message of peace, harmony, unity, and understanding on this joyous occasion and wish that all the goodwill should bring people together irrespective of caste, creed and faith. Republican Party of India, Athawale Manipur State Committee has presented Sanayol Old Age Ningtham Khudol and Old Age Pensions to senior citizens of Kishamthong constituency today. Party team led by its president Maheshwar Thangnaujam presented winter gifts to senior citizens of Kwakaithel Nganapithong at their respective residences. Speaking to media, Joint Secretary of Social Welfare Club Kwakaithel Nganapithong Manak Longjam Manoj expressed happiness and wished Republican Party of India Athawale all the best for all his future endeavors.
Social worker oina leibiriba aina so hana so am nusina so dum loina zarak paina wasina ngasi bai bai numida sida lekai asigi aloi ba harga koi sei humdra gi mathak leiba halsing asida lekai gi ma mafam asida lingbilaktuna koi gi magi ngamjaba koi kambal adagi sen oina sauna mating pibidana koi lekai asida lingbilaktuna pibirko se koi club ki site gi yamna penba koi nungai ba phongluk sari makha tabresu mahesna koi lekai asida lakpada koina mana tawninga thabakta koina club asina su yam chauna adum mateng pangge hebi wakhalma koi adum isana adum leijari.
All Manipur Art and Culture and Sports Development Society held its 19th state level award function at Lamyanba Shanglen in Palace Compound today. Third state level award function for all Manipur Muslim arts and cultural organization was also held at the event. Individuals from various communities who have excelled in various fields were felicitated on the occasion. Director in charge of Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board Lamphal H. Subhash, President of All Manipur Art and Culture and Sports Development Society Telem Arun Kumar, Amukok President S.M. Jalal, Amuko President Fairojam Nando Luang and many people attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Delem Arun Kumar said that the state-level award function is jointly organized by All Manipur Art and Culture and Sports Development Society and All Manipur Muslim Arts and Cultural Organization aimed to unite and foster love among communities in the state.
Tongan-tonganba hiramsingchida thabak suminnariba mayamsingse akhoi amattu oina punsallaga akhoi nungsi chanana akhoi hingminnabagi puksel khojen tinana hingminnabagi wakhalonda pangthokpa society sigi oiba mana mathum yenbagi thoramni karagumba kangluk kaya kundariba lamdam asida tongan-tonganba wakhalonda leinakibadu madu dagi khara hanthananaba haiba tai hariba wakhalonsida singchallaga puruk khudingmakta magi haijaba sinpamduda athoi ehenba singduda khangatlaga mana pibagi thoramsi hariba society sina mangdagi chathaduna lai maroi ba pandam chik harmony adagi amatoibagi wakhalon sin.
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur Traffic Police beefs up road safety measures ahead of the New Year 2020. Traffic Police Wing collects fines from traffic rules violators. 88 Nupilal Celebration Month organized by Nupilal Memorial Association Manipur concludes with patriotic fervor. And Governor, Chief Minister, Cabinet Ministers, MLAs and other political leaders send heartiest New Year's greetings to everyone.